Hello everybody and welcome to Dan Arms Tech, and I hope you're doing well. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different from normal. Normally it consists of me getting in a product, unboxing it and reviewing it. However, I've had a big influx of boxes delivered today, so what I thought I'd do is on this video is unbox it all and show you what's coming up in future videos. So we're going to start off with the biggest box first, and yeah, do excuse the noise. I have taken my address off it so you can't see what I'm seeing here. And you can't see where I live. But yeah, I ordered quite a few products. I've got a new series starting up on the channel called Budget Tech as well, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get through the countless amounts of bubble wrap. And oh wow, okay. So I'm going to need to move this over to one side. And yeah, so this is the first season of Budget Tech. We've got the Sadie's SA822T headset. We've also got the M-Power EG3 Pro gaming headset. So yeah, I decided to do a Budget Tech series just to give you guys an idea on price on different things like headphones, keyboard, mice, microphones. So that's all coming up. So yeah, we've also got the Zyberia V20s. We've got the Zyberia X E3s. They look pretty cool as well. And we've also got GameNote, create your gaming headset. Okay, this looks pretty cool. So let's have a quick look at this one. Sorry, I can't remember exactly what I ordered, should I say. But yeah, I ordered quite a bit. Okay, yeah, just another pair of headphones in just a standard black box. So yeah, that's all pretty cool. Now, these are from Geekria. So I'm going to put all those back in out the way. Also ordered a windshield or furry mic. That's going to be for a new condenser microphone that I'm going to be testing out for my camera. So yeah, these are from Geekria and these are headphone accessory expert. So I've got two of these. Let's have a look which ones they've sent me. Nice plastic bag as well. That's quite handy. I do quite like that. Oh, right, okay, yeah, so these, God, all this packaging just to get in. So all of these, or these two, should I say, because I've got another one in there as well, which is in there. It's going to be the same one. These are just plastic headset stands. So if I get, for instance, my Void Pros, you can just stick them over the top and yeah, just hold them on. That'd be pretty cool. So obviously that's first of all for the headphone reviews. That's going to be handy for those, keep them out of the way. But yeah, that's box number one. So let's put all this back in and back out the way. So on to box number two, and this one's quite heavy. Oh. So let's have a look what's in this one. I have ordered some new camera gear as well. Today I ordered a Canon EOS M3 with I believe, the 15 to 35mm lens, which is going to be quite cool. That's going to be for like B-roll. At the moment I'm using my iPhone up there, so you can see everything that's in here. And, oh wow, okay, so this was heavy. What was this that I ordered from Newer? Can't remember half the stuff I actually ordered. Ah, right, awesome. So then, this is actually a dolly for tripods. Ah, there you go. So yeah, put that out of the way. So it comes in its own nice, neat little Newer bag, and yeah, all this is for is basically putting your tripod in and then wheeling it around. So this would be great for B-roll itself on the channel. If I just get all the legs out. Show you guys on the other camera, there you go. So yeah, you just put your tripod, it's 3 legs in there, and then you can just, yeah, wheel it round. That's actually going to be really, really awesome. Can't wait to try this out. I've got quite a few Newer products, and then it's just got pins, I believe, that, do they pull out? Yeah, they pull out and allow you to put that back down. And a nice little strap as well to keep it all together. Like I said, comes in its own little bag, which is if I can get it back in, pretty awesome. So next up is the K&F Concept. Now this, I believe, will be a new tripod. Now I've got one there that my camera's standing on. I've got another one there that the iPhone's on. The one that the camera's on is a bit knackered. The twisty thing to raise the tripod up and down is broken. And the other one to my right is just naff and really, really old. So I ordered this one from, again, off Amazon. This is a K&F Concept. And again, this one looks really, really nice. Again, heavy duty. I will show this off in a later video, but what you can do with this is absolutely amazing. Again, going to be amazing for B-roll, for shooting like I am now. Yeah, so that's all pretty cool. I will stick that back in there. Oops. And get that all out the way as well. I'm not going to need that box. So next up is this one. Now some of these have come a little bit sort of damaged in the boxes from Amazon, but if they're packing them like they are with the packaging, should all be fine. Oh, awesome. So, really? The packaging just for a microphone. Yeah, so this is a Rode mic. And it is the Rode video mic with the Rode Cat on board. That's pretty awesome. Can't believe though that there's that much packaging in there for just this microphone. But again, it's a very expensive microphone. So thank you, Amazon, for looking out for me on that one. What's up next? So I'm going to get a few of these boxes up because I've got still a couple more to go through. Now let's have a look at this one actually. See what's in here. Whew, it's getting quite hot. What is it? 20 to 9 at night here in the UK, and this conservatory is it's about 26 degrees. It's kind of getting hot, especially when you're working and doing all this. Right, more packaging. Oh, cool. Okay, so again, another headset. This is the Hunter Spider Pro gaming headset. Obviously, I will pop that over there so you guys can see that one. And Yinsan. Oh, that's a Yinsan TM5. So yeah, these microphones are going to be, or these headsets, should I say, are going to be in a cheap budget tech roundup. I'm going to review them one by one, and then I'm going to do a roundup on the last video. I've got about 8 of them, I think I ordered. And I've got the, oh, brilliant, another microphone. This is the Taxter SGC598. So I'm going to do a review on this one and the Rode mic separately, and then do them both together. But yeah, cool, that's come 2 condenser microphones. Hopefully going to be good if you're vlogging as well. So yeah, let's move those out over there. I'm starting to run out of space now. Studio's still not built. It's taken forever and a day. It's just getting parts and bits and pieces. But what's in this one? Again, more packaging. Slightly damaged on that one, but oh well. So this is the Phonicast H4. Again, another microphone. That looks pretty cool. Loads more packaging. I've got the HVA 30 from Movo. Now that's just a triple shoe mount accessory for cameras, so that's going to be quite good. And then this is the one that I'm kind of really excited about. This here is a, I would say, budget 4K camera. Apparently it's high definition, wide angle lens with micro. Sorry. Yeah, apparently meant to be brilliant for vlogging, hence whilst I've got a Rode microphone and the Taxter as well. But yeah, slightly damaged as you can see. Hopefully that's going to be good. Really looking forward to that one. And it wasn't mega expensive. It wasn't like the Panasonic G7 that I'm using now. And it's not like the M30 price that I've just got either. So, no, the M30 isn't 4K. It's only, I think, what, 1920 by 1080 at about 30 frames a second. But that's going to do for what I want it to do. Oh, cool, another product from Neewer. Not as much packaging in that one. So what is in this one that they've sent me? Careful I don't rip it. Oh, awesome. Okay, so we've got a dual USB charger for the newer USB F50 is what it's called, and a lithium battery, I believe there. And this is again from Neewer. This is 11-inch articulating magic arm. Cool. So I've, like I said, got some equipment stuff coming. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So the articulated arm, or magic arm as they're also called, oops, if I don't drop all the bits out, is literally just basically for pointing, you know, cold shoe mount on the bottom, microphone attached on the top, something like that. That's going to be awesome for what I want it for. And what else have we got from Neewer in here as well? Anything else? No. So yeah, that magic arm is going to be awesome. Tell you what, the packaging on these has been pretty outstanding. Okay, so this is the LCD field mount. So this is their 7-inch display that is just basically for connecting top of a camera, making sure you've got the focus right. Gives you a bigger display as well. So it's 7 inches, whereas on, I think, the Lumix G7 that I'm using at the moment is about a 3-inch touchscreen. Again, this is well packaged. There you go, other angle of it. What's we got on here? Ah, brilliant, some accessories. Okay, so we got the, oh, brilliant. So we got a cover that goes over the Neewer field screen, and then what we've got, like a plastic, sort of sun visor. So it's a Velcro actually, so that's pretty cool. Again, another cold shoe mount that's slightly bendable. All your HDMI cables, your charging cable, which is micro USB. So yeah, pretty awesome. Really looking forward to using this LCD screen, because trying to see myself recording in the little 3-inch screen that is on the Lumix G7, it's been alright since I've had the camera, but I just wanted something a little bit more stable. Sorry guys, it's just coughed everywhere. Don't know how that went in. It is ridiculously hot in here. Once I finish recording, I am grabbing myself a well-earned cup of tea. Cool. Customer service kit in there as well. These never go back on the way you want them to. I will stop flapping in a minute. Cool, right, yeah, done. Out the way, that lot over there. So we've got 3 more packages. Let's do the long one first. See what is in here. Where is everything? Bloody hell. Look at the packaging on that. Okay, awesome. So we've got the DSC16. This is again from Movo. That's again a cold shoe mount rack this time. Let's get it open. So again, this is 16-inch extension bar. Now this is huge. There you go. Look at that. Now this goes along the top of, if I can just get it in there, no pun intended, that goes just across the top of the camera. You can put obviously the field screen that I've just got on there, light, microphone. Yeah, awesome. Again, that's going to make recording very handy. Most of this is actually for the new studio. Once that is built as well, I've got some lights that I'm going to be ordering. I believe they're going to be from Neewer as well. I'll order them from Neewer because I do like Neewer products. Hence why a lot of this stuff is from Neewer themselves. Not sponsored, just obviously plain bought by me, which is mega expensive if you're ordering it all in one go, but it's decent quality stuff, which is why I'm doing different series. So that can go over there. So these is a 4-slot charger and 9-volt battery kit. So I get this out of its bag, there you go. And all the batteries, as you can see in there. Now that is going to be for the Rode microphone because it takes 9-volt batteries, because it's a bit of a beast on drawing power. So yeah, pretty cool. I've got 4 of those, so hopefully I shouldn't run out of juice whilst I'm out and about filming or using the microphone, but we shall soon see. Let's open up this package. What's in here? Ah, another product from Neewer. Awesome. Excuse the noise. Ah, wicked. So this actually goes with the LCD mount that you just saw, this field monitor, and this is the carrier case for it. And if I just do this, seems pretty solid. Oh, that smell. Brand new smell. So yeah, there's where the screen goes. Underneath there, all fits in very nicely, all cushioned, all protected. So if you're like me, you tend to drop things. If you're like Linus, I think he should have a carrier case on everything that he handles, because he is renowned for just dropping it on its ass. Excuse my language. But yeah, from Neewer again, love Neewer products. I think even my condenser microphone up there that I use when I'm gaming or streaming, that is a Neewer NW800 condenser mic. So last package then, guys, last package. Let's see what's in here. Nothing else. Oh, cool. Ah, awesome. Again, so this is another charger and another battery. So these batteries that I showed you just a minute ago, if I can get these out, let's have a look. So the batteries that I've ordered are actually ones that go on the back of that field mount screen. It's going to draw a lot of juice. So these are Neewer batteries. They're 2600 milliamp hours. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, just slots in the back, clips down. You've got the 2 pins there. Perfect. And that also comes with the charger as well. So I've got 2 chargers. I've got 3 batteries for the field mount screen. So I shouldn't technically run out of juice, but depends on me how long it takes to film. Like the intro for this took me about 10 minutes. Once I sorted out the colour on the screen, hopefully, the ISO, the white balance. I find shooting in the conservatory in Vivid works very well, only because I've got like an 8% blue tint on the glass at the top, and it's meant to apparently protect you from some of the UV light. However, it doesn't. But yeah, there you go. So that's everything in this video. As you can see, I've got a lot of products to get through. I've got 8 headphones to get through. They take about 2-3 days each to sort of wear, see if they're comfortable, see what they sound like, see if the mic quality is good. A couple of RGB ones in there as well. I've got one that was a recommendation from Amazon. I've got another one that was the most purchased one on Amazon as well to get through. I've got the Rode and the Takstar microphone to get through. A new 4K camera, like I said, bit skeptical on that, but yeah, 4K camera. I've got audio video equipment to go with the camera. I've got a Canon M3 coming as well with, like I said, the 15 to I think it's 45mm lens, which is going to be awesome. So that's going to be my new B-roll camera. If this one's any good, this is meant to be a vlogging camera. But yeah, that's it. So if you did like today's video, guys, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you want prices of any of these things, if there's any questions you want to ask, even suggestions, if there's anything that you want me to cover on the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. And click that bell icon for more notifications and unboxing videos if I get another bundle like this come in. And like always, I shall see you in the next video.